The 10 Golden Rules of Money. Must see, Smart Simplified. Learn the golden rules for money. Your chances of building amazing things. Wealth is increasing exponentially. These golden rules aren't mind-blowing concepts or earth-shattering concepts, but instead, a set of simple guidelines. Keep in mind that this will assist you successfully manage your money. These rules of money are not easy to understand. This could lead to a constant struggle. Every aspect of your life should be made more enjoyable. These golden rules will make it almost effortless to follow. You can be sure that you will succeed. You can achieve your financial goals. Desire. Pay attention to number 1. The most important rule. Smart Simplified will teach people personal finance, investing and money management. If you are interested in improving your life, financial future, make sure you subscribe. Go to the channel and click the like button if you find this video helpful. Number 10. Learn the rules of the game. No one wants to live a life that is not possible. To be able to afford the things they want and need. This can lead to a miserable life. Side effects include a host of others, including elevated levels of stress. Poor health and low happiness are two of the most common causes of death. Fulfillment. You are presented with two options. Learn and master the art of money management. You can live the life that you want. Don't try to learn the game, or you could be in danger of being broke forever. It might feel like you are a master at something. Your money is an overwhelming asset. It's a difficult task, but many people find it rewarding. It's much simpler than the alternatives to struggling to make ends meet. Keep a roof over your head with bills. Non-stop worry and constant worry. Number 9. Avoid depreciating assets. One effective way to increase your productivity is by using financial stability for the long term. Personal net worth is to limit your purchase of depreciating assets. Include cars and other expensive materials. Goods. These items may be losing value. Your investments move at a faster pace than you. It is becoming more challenging to keep up with the value of assets. Build wealth. Spending money too much and doing worse. To finance the purchase of a property, you can borrow money. These depreciating assets are one of the most detrimental things to your wealth. How much money do you spend on certain things? Your net could lose value. Focus on your money and value. Appreciating assets will help you earn and save money. These are real estate stocks, precious metals and cryptocurrencies, collector's items. Number 8. Make your money work for you. Simply saving money in a savings account. It doesn't suffice to make you wealthy. With laughably low interest. These accounts and the staggering inflation rates, the dollar's value. Learn how to invest it. Find a way to earn money while you're sleeping. You will continue to work until your death. It's almost impossible to become rich. Trade time only for money? There is only so much time in a day. This can be used to work. You can also trade time for money or make or earn money. You're spending money. You can generate income with minimal effort. It is possible if you are willing to put in the effort. You can afford to make the initial investment in either. You don't need to spend much money or time creating passive income stream. Invest in your earned income by using its assets like stocks, real estate or businesses will eventually offer you this service. With enough income, you can no longer be without it. Have to go to work. Number 7. Don't waste your money to impress other people. All too often, people spend money to impress people you don't know. Like and subscribe. The neighbor you hate most would be. If you were to go out and buy a product, you would be impressed. Brand new car. How about purchasing a large quantity of wine? Impress your friends with a stately family home. These purchases may make you feel better. You and these people will feel better about themselves. You might be impressed for a brief time. However, your neighbors or your friends, the family will cherish these purchases. Soon after that, the monthly car payment was due. Payments for the shiny new car and the cost of maintaining an impressive home will be around for many years. Focus on what is best for you. Avoid spending money on people you don't like. Number 6. Avoid debt. Just because you can make the monthly payment doesn't mean you should. You can't afford to pay for it, but you don't have to make payments. With easy financing options available, help buy anything, from a new vehicle to. It's tempting to buy furniture for your home. To finance these purchases, you can take out debt. You want a new living room set right now. You don't want the wait to last for months or even years. You should not spend more than you have. The truth is, if you are unable to pay cash, luxuries that you can't afford to purchase, these are them. In addition to not being financially able, these items will be the monthly payments. You'll lose your cash flow, which will result in you having financial expenses or significantly expensive improvement. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't use it. The bank must not accept any money from the customer. Everything you need to buy. There are occasions when you might need to use another method. People's money can be used to benefit others. As long as you have at least the minimum amount of money. Pay cash if necessary. Number 5. Balance risk. Every single one of these activities carries some risk. Every aspect of your life, including your finances, are your responsibility. To achieve the perfect balance of risk and reward. The higher the risk, the better. The prize is worth taking too much risk. This could lead to you going bankrupt. There is no guarantee that there will be any risk. Moving ahead without ever having financial freedom. Renting a property is risky, but its returns may outpace all other options. Invest. What about quitting your job to pursue a career? Different career paths. To be financially responsible, you need to know what risks you are taking. Find ways to reduce it. Number 4. Set goals. Setting clear goals will help you move forward. The path to financial freedom. Without them, you are just going to meander through your life without a clear goal, direction, or specific achievements. Set clear and concise goals to ensure that you achieve your objectives. You know precisely when you have been. They were achieved. When creating goals, consider the acronym. SMART stands for something specific, realistic and achievable, measurable goals in a reasonable time. Based. These will assist you in coming up with high-quality ideas. Quality goals you are likely to achieve. Attain. These should be written down. You're emotionally and physically well. Intellectually engaged and you're better. They are likely to be achieved. A Dominican study. University found that writing goals can be lowered. You can expect to make 42% daily. More likely to reach them. Number 3. Stay organized. A messy, cluttered home can make it stressful. It is overwhelming, chaotic, and all at once. Your finances are your most important asset. Disorganized bills and budgets can lead to inefficiency. They can make you very stressed. Your financial situation can get worse. You could miss payment deadlines, rack up fees. Continue to be a poor way of spending money. Save less. At the very minimum, you should be able to identify your total income and take-home pay, monthly expenses, savings rate, investment, your net worth and returns. These numbers will help you make the right decision. It is easier to track and monitor progress and see exactly where you are. There is room for improvement. Let's say that one of your goals was reaching the top, a net worth of $1 million. How would you like to track your activities? If you don't make progress or set goals, there is no point in trying. This figure is important. Number 2, to have the right mentality. Personal development is key to your success. Finances are your money mindset. Critical foundational piece. A positive mental attitude is the key to success. Way. If you don't work hard enough, you won't be able to make it big. You're always coming up with excuses. The reasons it is impossible to obtain. Rich. It's your responsibility to take on the responsibility for your specific situation. Start by deciding to be wealthier than being broke forever. Living paycheck to paycheck is possible. Struggling to make ends meet. Instead of thinking about reasons why, think of them. Things won't work out. Ask yourself how. You can get rich. How can you make enough money to never run out of money? Have to go back to work. Wealthy people overcome obstacles. Look for opportunities and learn from every failure as a chance to learn. Number 1. Always pay yourself first. The first step is when you get paid. It is essential to save money. You can either pay yourself first, or you can do it yourself. Instead of focusing on your total income, consider how you are doing. I see that you can do it. Spend. Take a percentage off your top. You and all that's left is what you should spend. The benefit of paying yourself first. It is essential to save money for the future. Secure your future and build a cushion for unexpected and emergency expenses, such as unexpected car repairs or lapses in income. This buffer gives you more. You might be able to reap more benefits than you realize. As a way to reduce stress levels, just think about how your mind might be when you do this. One unusual expense won't ruin your life, but ease is better than none. You are financially insolvent, causing you to take out debt. When you get to pay, make sure you set the bar high. Save money for yourself. Money plays an integral part in our lives. Life is what you choose, whether or not it's your choice. It dictates almost every aspect of our lives. A day, which is why it's essential to the 10 golden rules for money. These can significantly increase the quality to make your life better and achieve everything you want. The financial goal you desire. Thank you for watching Smart Simplified channel.